Imagine the overwhelming chaos of managing multiple global mobility brands under one roof. It's no easy task. Kiheung Group has pioneered a unique approach, revolutionizing marketing operations for brands like Harley-Davidson and McLaren. Before partnering with Adriel, they struggled with tedious spreadsheets, wasting hours gathering data for each brand. With resources spent on reporting, crucial strategies and creative initiatives were falling through the cracks. Now, they've achieved a remarkable 75% reduction in reporting time, focusing on growth and innovation instead. Adriel's unique integration capabilities provide a seamless connection to domestic platforms, streamlining their processes drastically. The introduction of shareable live reports transformed communication, enabling real-time collaboration with brand headquarters. Kiheung's powerful tools, including the Notepad feature, promote faster interactions and strategic updates across teams. These advancements led to an astounding 80% decrease in communication resources, freeing up valuable time for marketers. Unlocking efficiency means enhanced employee satisfaction and a 90% reduction in budget planning errors. Embrace the future of marketing.